One of the foundational movements in hip-hop dance is skating. Skate is a basic movement that you can express the music in a smooth mode. Now let's do it. The first thing you need to know is that we get that energy from the hips. So hips is quite important when you want to dance hip-hop. And try to bend your knees like this. This. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next step would be sliding with a leg, and when you reach to that point, you can lift your knee like this, and then again drop your knee, slide back, and go to the first position. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate is an essential groove that can help you to travel in your space. Be careful to recognize its groove. Your focus is on the consistency of the movement. So we don't use skate like this, like robots. So it can help us to be more fluid and show flow in our dance. I say flow, so I create a video related to this important technique for hip-hop dancers or any dancer in every style. So you can go to that link and check that video later. And its groove. Its groove would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have this type of groove. It's nice and flowy, and you can enjoy the music. Let's experience this basic together. Now let's dive deeper and know what element structured this basic. The only element that this basic has, it's a slide. A slide is an important element in every dance style, and you should explore it more and more because it can make your movement consistent, connected, and more beautiful. It's like 1 and 2, 3, and even when I lift my knees, it's like there's something in the ground that sticking my feet and doesn't let my feet to go up. So you stick with the floor, but you are pleased to stick with it. It's like you're connected to the earth. It's really important that you have a good mindset about slide. So it's a flexible and smooth movement. You can do anything with the slide. Now I can give you a roadmap on how you can practice this essential basic. The first thing you need to explore is the range. It started with a small range and you can develop to a big range. The skate movement can start just from this position, and we can use tiny slide and tiny lifting while we are dancing. What does it made for? When you do a small movement, you have the opportunity to focus better on the music. So it's not bad if you want to show a small range of movement. It's necessary for you as a dancer to show small movement as long as you can to focus on the music. So it started from here, and we can do it in a big range, like this, and how flexible you are is important for this movement. Step is using accents and be a dynamic dancer. This means that when you want to show skate, it's not necessarily means that you need to be smooth without any kick or strong accent, or even in a slow pace. So you can do it in every speed you want, and also you can use accents. For example, I do skate like this, then unexpectedly I show my movement sharply, then again softly and sharp movement, or slow and fast. So just follow the music. The third one is using direction. You just need to make sure that you use every possible direction you have, like 360 degree. So explore this space and go forward, back, side to side with this basic.
No more promos, no more photos, no more logos, no more Michaels. We on Bezos, we get payrolls, trips to Legos, connect like Legos. Make this final, make this my eyes closed, burn false idols, Jesus disciples. I can feel your pain now, I done bled my vein now, new level the game now, simulation change, no more problems, no more argue, no more asking who really are you. I know the real you, you know we feel you, you know he hears you, you know we with you, straight from Beirut, Chicago, Beirut, you crave, we crave too, you pray, we pray too, never too late for him, save you, this show, movie, cause no one can play you. Devil, lay down, this that level, make devils pray now. Hold up, no peace, hold up, police, don't call police, just stay focused, pray for new life, pray for new breath, hey Lord, make sure it's safe for who's left, know you can't find a place to rest, know the Lord my bullet, proof best, when we survive, know that we best, save my people through them, let it rock, let it rock, rock, let it rock, 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 let it rock, 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 let it rock, let it rock, rock, let it rock, 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 let it rock, rock, let it rock, Michael.
Thank you guys for staying with me and watching this tutorial. I hope you find it beneficial for your dance journey. Please check out other videos on my playlist if you want to grow as a hip hop dancer. See you soon. Bye bye.